Welcome back, my dear students. Let us continue. Recall, we ended up with three equations, right? A plus B plus C is equal to 321, right? So this is our equation that characterized what? Term 1. This is the equation that characterized what? Term 2. This is the equation that characterized what? Term 3. Do not be scared because now you've got three equations, right? We are going to work with two equations, right? That is equations that you can handle. That's important, right? Now, where do we go from here now? Here I will say term 2, right? That is this equation minus term 1. Term 2 was given by what? By my red. Term 2, my red gave me 4a, right, plus 2b, right, plus c. This was my term 2. Negative, minus now, minus term 1. What is term 1? Term 1 is given by a plus b plus c. Brackets, brackets, brackets. Blue is what? A plus B plus C. That is beautiful. So it's two equations. But T2, that is term number 2, is equal to 290. This is 290 minus. Term 1 is 321. Term 1 is 321. 321, which is equal to. Let us solve this now. 4a plus 2b plus c. Minus times a, that is minus 1 times a, minus a. Minus 1 times b, minus b. Minus 1 times positive c, minus c. Do you guys see that? That is beautiful. Now, a smaller number minus a bigger number will give me a negative sign. So, 290 minus, 329, the difference I've already seen. This will be equal to minus 31 in this case. Now, what is 4a minus a? It is 3a, right? What is 2b minus b? It is positive b, 1b. C minus c gives me 0. So now, like, from three variables that I didn't know, now I've got two variables, a and b. Then I can just put this now and say this, let's call this my equation 1. Right? Let's continue. Now I do the same thing here that I've done here. I say now, I continue. Term 3, let's go to the next difference. Term 3 minus term 2 is equal to, term 3 was given by my green. My green is what? 9a plus 3b plus c, right? Beautiful. And then what now? Minus, then brackets. What is term 2? Term 2 is 4a plus 2b plus c, close brackets. Now remember, term 3 is 200 and what? 61. Remember? Minus. Term 2 is what? 290. Bigger number minus, number? Negative. The difference is negative what? 29. Minus 29. Then here, 9a plus 3b plus c. Minus 1 times this, minus 4a. Minus 1 times this, minus 2b. Minus 1 times this, minus c, which is equal to, there we go, 9a minus 4a gives me what? Positive 5a. Right? Positive 3b minus 2b, it gives me positive b. Again, positive c, negative c gives me 0. I end up with what here now? I end up with two variables. Now, this is beautiful. This is what? Beautiful. Then I shall call this now my equation 2. Are you with me? So I have managed to eliminate C. I have managed to eliminate C here. I end up with 2 equations. So I have reduced my 3 equations to 2 equations basically. Then I do the normal, you know, like simultaneous equation. I mean, I solve using the normal whatnot. So in this case now, like I say, equation 2 here minus equation 1, which is equal to, on the left hand side, let's just put our left hand side here. Our left hand side here is minus 29, right? Minus, what do we have here now, like for this, for equation 1 here? Minus 31, brackets, minus 31. That's very important. I'll just put here, let's just put here, right? Then, which is equal to. Now, here, what do I have here now? For this, I've got 5a plus b minus brackets. What equation do I have now for 1? It is 3a plus b, right? Which is equal to minus 29 minus 29 positive 31. That gives me positive 2, which is equal to that side 5a, right, plus b minus 1 times 3a minus 3a minus b times positive b minus b. Look at it now, look at it now, look at it now, look at it now. So what do we get here now? 5a minus 3a, I am left with what? 2a. Positive b minus b is 0. I have eliminated b now. Are you with me? I am only left now like with only one what? With only one variable, which is called what? A. And therefore, a is equal to 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. Then I have managed to solve a. Remember, I've got how many variables? I've got a, I had a, I've got b, I've got c. I have managed to solve what here now? A. A now like is equal to what? Is equal to 1. Then I can go to any of these equations and substitute a and c. What will be the value of b? For example, let's look at equation 1. Let's go back to this equation 1 here. Right? What are we going to get now here? Remember we said minus 31 is equal to 3a plus what? Plus b. Therefore, minus 31 is equal to 3 times, what is a? 1 positive b. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 31 plus b. Take 3 to that side, 3 becomes negative. Negative 31, negative 3 is equal to what? B. Therefore, b is equal to minus 31 and minus 3 is minus 34. So, here I have solved for A, I have solved B. So I am left now with what? With C. Right? Okay, I'll show you now like in the next class how we get to C. So before I go, remember we've got 3 equations, A plus B plus C is equal to that value. Second equation, term 2 equal to this value. Term 3 equal to this value. From there, the differences between my terms, T2 minus T1, I solved that. Then I ended up eliminating what? Eliminating C. That gives me an equation. I go to the next difference, T3 minus T2, I solve that, minus that. Then eventually I eliminate what here? C. Then I end up with 2 equations with this equation. Now from then on, like I take this equation minus this equation, whatever happens on the left hand side, whatever happens on the right hand side. Then eventually I eliminate B. Then I am left with only one variable. In this case, which is A. Then I can solve A. Then I take A now and substitute it in any of these 2 equations and find the value of what? The value of B. In this case, B is equal to what? Negative 34. Now we've got A is equal to 1, B is equal to negative 34. Then we want to see now what's going to be the value of what called like C. Thank you for now. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.